Hey guys, Frost here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very exciting unboxing video to share with you guys, and I have to tell you guys how happy I am and how excited I am to be able to collaborate with this brand. When I received the offer, I was like, wow. When I Google search about the products, I was like, yes, I'm going to take up this offer because it really it resonates with me. I'm very selective with the brands that I'm working with, and I've been waiting for like the right campaign. And then let's get it started. What's inside? Are you guys ready? Yes, let's do it. Give it a guess. And yes, it's a gift from YSL. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much, YSL, for making me the happy girl. Let's see what's inside the box. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Yes, this is Libre from YSL. It's a new fragrance of freedom. Libre. Yeah, it's a French word. I'm not really sure whether I pronounce it correctly, but anyway, when I Google search, Libre means freedom, liberty. Oh god, yeah, this perfume is for me. It's meant for me. I talk too much. Did I talk too much again? I have no idea. To make sure my hair is alright, on point, yeah. Because I'm so spoiled, I used to do modeling, and yeah, I have stylists, I have makeup artists, yeah, everyone is going to settle the rest for me. But now I am my own producer at home. I have to set up my hair, do my makeup, yeah, dress up, and yeah, set up the place to do the shoot. Okay, no, not too much. Okay, let's. Oh my god, I didn't open it. We are doing this together, for real. Oh my god, you guys ready? So excited. I can. Look at the bottle design. It's super chic. You guys know that I really love gold and black combination. It's like the color of rich taste, and there is this YSL logo on the bottle. Super cool and chic. And you can see there is a gold chain on the bottleneck. 360 turn. I love it. Okay, and it's time to test the scent. Yeah, it's a very sexy and sensual scent. Yeah, and I know what is the ingredient. I did study a little bit about it. Yeah, it's made of lavender flowers and Moroccan orange flowers. I don't know how to describe it compared to all the perfume that I have. Yeah, because if you miss my favorite perfume collection sharing, yeah, right, please check it out in the link below. And I don't know how to compare it to the rest because it's really unique. Yeah, the scent is really unique. I would say that. I think that's the best word I can describe this perfume, because if you were to ask me to comment on Chanel, it's more classy, and Versace is more strong, more masculine. I think this is not too strong, and it's it's very unique. Yeah, it's really like the name itself. It's the scent of Libre, freedom, because you can't find a right word to really describe it. Yeah, I think that's the best way to put it in words. I don't know, but it makes me feel really calm, and it's a very soothing scent, and it comes by layer. I'm not that that professional level when it comes to perfume, but I just love perfume, and this day I try to learn more about the ingredients, and actually I like it. And not forget to mention something really cool about the perfume. Yeah, it's actually endorsed by Dua Lipa. Yeah, I love her music, and I'm so inspired by her because I think the perfume is just like her. She's a woman of character. Yeah, she really has her own style. I love she's I would say sometimes I see she's sexy, bubbly, but she know her thing, she love her music. Yeah, I really love her pop music. I would say this perfume is actually very suitable for normal daily wear. You can wear it to work, you can actually wear it to outing, go for dating. Yeah, I think it's very suitable, and I know that it actually comes in another version, which is Libre Intense. Yeah, so to me, like being free means I have the freedom to express myself freely, unapologetically, and feeling safe to express myself. And a woman who is mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially free. Yeah, so that is what freedom means to me. What does being free means to you? Yeah, please leave in the comment box below. I'm really curious to know. That's pretty much for today's sharing. Yeah, I hope you guys love this video as much as I do in creating this. Yeah, I hope you guys love it, and if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate that. And you know, it gives me more motivation to create more great contents for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.